Hi. Grandma was right when she was beating the rug. The most important process of cleaning a rug is getting the dirt out of it. By the way, this is Palmer, the new member of cleaning. This is our new rug inspector. We're going to show you with Palmer what's going on here. Let's go, babe. Okay, now let's pull this back. This is what's sitting on the bottom of the pile of the rug. So we turn it backward and we beat the back of it. If we don't collect this from the rug and we hose it down, this would become a clay base. And when you're walking on it, you're grinding it from the bottom up. There is usually we get about 10% of the weight of the rug out of it by just this process. This is what makes us different than anybody else. We are the expert, we do it the right way. So when you're vacuuming it, on the surface, this stays in the rug because this is sitting on the base of the rug, not on the surface. You're just vacuuming the pile on top of it, what sits on there. This is sitting on the pile of it. And this rug was cleaned by another carpet cleaner. And they brought it back to us, and this is what we got out of it. We are the expert. We know what it takes to clean a rug, not surface clean a rug. Usually, we do this 2 to 3 times on a rug, and every time we get this much fine dirt. This fine dirt has come from the bottom of your shoes, from the paw of your pet, every day on your home, and it's not noticeable. This is not what dry cleaners do. Dry cleaners do this. Impossible. Carpet cleaner, forget it. They just steam clean the surface and all this come back again to your home. We will make sure we take every part of this. We keep beating it until nothing comes out of your rug. Thank you.